on my way to fucking Buffalo Wild Wings to meet up with my guy Keno. Actually, the crew, Street Imperials, man. We're on top of 2020 right now. We're about to make the biggest pack in Seattle. So yeah, I'm meeting up with them. We have a meeting right now, and I guess there's a car meet today, and I did not know that. And by the way, I'm finally 26 years old. Yes, my birthday was yesterday, September 4th. And you know, you guys can say happy birthday down in the chat below. I mean, not the chat, but the comment below. And yeah, man, let's just grind. Let's be successful. Let's just grow. That's the one thing I'm really happy about. So yeah, let's get this grind, man. Let's get this money.
Yeah, so I finally made it.
Yeah. I got Hammerhead RT right here. Disrespect.
This track mark is hard.
Hi, Dad. Not play.
Look at this Trackhawk Supercharged, man. Look at this shit. This is nasty. This is great. Look at that. Woo, this is tough. This is hard. I like this one, man.
These are like top of
Oh, shit. They're like getting those type of tires? I like these rims. I like both y'all rims too. I went for 300, huh? The Broski. I don't know. Y'all know what the team is. Yeah. Come on, man. Represent our team. Shit, nice. I like these rims. I need one of these from back of mine. I like his rims so bad, so nasty. Let's get it. We're gonna get him following.
Now if he busts his ass, Charles about to get all that. Look, see?
You wanna do an ollie? Freak, show up. Go ham. Man, go follow Mark. Go follow my Instagram. Broski pulled up. Look. Let's go. Anthony, True, Elijah, Keno, team back there, man. We're coming deep. Look at that shit. We're deep. Deep. God. Legendary, man. Legendary moment. See what Anthony doing. Anthony's fine. We're lit, bro. We won't have fun. Tear it out.
Gotta do it for the one. Nice. Got on the beat.
We need to find a spot for cash.
What? What? What's cash? Yeah, man, we're out here chilling.
He said he's on the way.
Cash said he's on the way. My guy. Yeah, we're out here. Yeah, this is hard as fuck. Jesus Christ. Hell yeah. Hold up. Look at the trap hog. Yeah, man, we're out here, bro. We're squad deep. Damn, huh? Look who showed up! I got cash in the building. Hell yeah.
Always in my mother face, not on yours.
It's my birthday, man. What's up, man? Shit. Hell yeah. Hit the grill, boy. And we created our own spot, bro. That's crazy. Yes. My guy is Texas life. Love you too. Heart eyes. Hey. Heart eyes. spun out right here. Right here, there's a tire mark right here. He spun out. There's that white truck right here.
Where you hit him at?
They hit him in the back. Right here in the back, right here.
He said, fucking stupid. Damn, he could have hit me.
Hey, let's hit everybody up the road. Yeah, he that up. I seen the whole thing. My tall ass saw the whole damn thing. Here, man. I might get that 350. I want a 350. Is he stuck? Hard. Oh, shit. I got the whole thing on video, too. I'd be embarrassed because shit, my shit's hella big. I'd be embarrassed.